Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll see how to speed up our PC in 5 steps. So, let's get started. Go to your control panel and look for any programs that you don't use and uninstall them. The next step is to run disk cleanup. This tool will help you clean up temporary files, system files, and other files that are taking up space on your hard drive. Disable startup programs. Some programs run automatically when you start your computer and can slow down your system. You can easily disable these programs by using the Task Manager. Upgrade your hardware. If your PC is still slow, you may need to upgrade some of your hardware components. Consider adding more RAM or upgrading to a solid-state drive, which can greatly improve the speed of your system. Keep your antivirus and Windows up to date. Finally, make sure that your antivirus software and Windows operating system are up to date.